Does your iPhone search only find apps and never your contacts or messages? Here are 11 fixes, from the simplest to the most advanced.
After a big update, iOS re-indexes everything in the background. Plug in, join Wi-Fi, and give it a few hours.
A simple restart clears most temporary glitches. If that fails, force restart by pressing volume up, volume down, then holding the side button.
Updating iOS is the most reliable fix. iOS 26.5 released May 11th, 2026, fixed search for most users.
In Settings, open Search and toggle off Show Recent Searches, show related content, and help Apple improve search. Wait 10 seconds, then toggle them back on.
Rebuild one app's index. In Settings, open Search, tap the app, and toggle Show App and Search, and show content in Search off, restart, then back on.
For messages search only, try toggling iMessage off for 30 seconds, then back on. It is worth a try, though not guaranteed.
Changing your iPhone language forces a full search index rebuild. Switch to English, let it reload, then switch back.
Oddly, toggling beta updates has helped some users. It is a single report, so worth a try, but not guaranteed.
The full rebuild combo is the top-rated Apple community fix. Change language, disable every search option, restart, re-enable, and restart again.
Reset all settings keeps your photos, messages, and apps, but rebuilds the system indexes. Never pick erase all content and settings.
As a last resort, erase the phone and restore from a backup. Even this failed for some on 26.4.1, so update first.
Why does this happen? iOS 26 corrupted the content half of the search index. App names still work. Your data does not. Apple acknowledged this at WWDC 26.
Save your money. Paid repair apps, iPhone terminal commands, and airplane mode will not fix the index.
Start with fixes 1 to 3. Most people are fixed simply by updating to the latest iOS.
Update first, then work down the list. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more iPhone fixes.